Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to generate an NC drill file in Altium Designer. So I will walk you through step by step exactly how I do it. First, make sure your PCB project is already open. This is important because the drill output is generated from the active PCB. Now, what I do first is I go here to the project options, onto the options, and then I will choose where this will save, where we will save NC drills. So I will put here something like that, just for example, like so. Oh, not good. So I will choose this one, and I can copy all of this right here, like so. Hit OK. And what we're gonna do now, go to the files, fabrication output, and we will choose NC drill files. Make sure you select NC drill files, not drilling drawing. Drill drawing only creates a PDF, and that's not what we want. Once the NC drill dialog opens, you can mostly leave everything at the default settings. These settings are perfectly fine in most cases. If you want, you can enable the tool table option, but this is just optional. I will just keep it as it is. After that, I will hit OK. The Altium will generate a CAM file. So you will see here drill file loaded automatically here, and this point you can simply click, as you can see. We can save this or don't. I will place it here. Why not? So now we will open up where we set that our files will be saved. Just a moment that I open up the correct map. So now you can see we have here files, and yeah, Altium NC drill. We can try to open that up, and as you can see, we have everything what we need. And yeah, this is the text file that contains all your drill data. You will also see here status report and this one with, and also LDTP. Okay, I never use this, I just use NC drill. So, and that's basically it. That's it, how to generate NC drill file and how to save it. I think it's really important that then you don't search on your computer, that you that you set your saving location at the beginning. So I hope this video was helpful. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.